Are you constantly waking up from fever dreams because you can't draw arms? Same! That's why I came up with this really easy way to draw arms, and I can't wait to show you. It's super easy. Oh, look, Xabio merch. Oh, you want it? Well, you can't have it. Oh, I'm getting a call from my mom. As you may know, if you've seen any of my videos, I taught myself how to draw. And I used YouTube because I didn't have the money for Skillshare. You guessed it, Skillshare is the sponsor for this video, but it almost wasn't. And I'll tell you why. Here's the tea. So I signed up for the free trial, and I actually found a good video. Sorry, Skillshare, I didn't mean it in a bad way. I'm just saying, like, I didn't know if it was going to be as good as YouTube or not. But I wish I would have at least taken advantage of the free trial sooner, because I took a class, or actually 3 classes, from a Disney animator named Tom Bancroft, who is now my new art hero. Oh my god, he's amazing. And he's so sweet. Oh my god, talk about wholesome. So Tom worked on a bunch of 2D animated Disney films, Lion King, Beauty and the Beast, Mulan, all those things. And he was the main guy responsible for Mushu on Mulan, actually. I took his classes, the character design with personality and designing and posing animated girls. And there's some really good tips in those videos that get passed down to you when I make these dumb videos. For the 10 people who have no idea what I'm talking about, Skillshare is a lit community of online creators who get together and share their knowledge with us lowly worms. And I'm told there's more than 25,000 classes in design and fine arts and illustration and other stuff. Dude, Skillshare is watching this. Hi. And premium membership, ooh, did somebody say ship? And premium membership gives you unlimited access, so you can take all the classes and join the community that you feel is calling you. If you're curious, or just want to get more creative, or even beef up your career like I'm trying to do, then Skillshare is the perfect place to keep you and your potato friend learning and thriving through 2019. Ooh. YouTube premium membership is $12 a month. Skillshare is $10. So it's super affordable if you're investing that money in learning knowledge. Join more than 7 million creators learning with Skillshare. But Andrew, is there a link in the description that will give me 2 months of a free trial, but only to the first 500 of your subscribers? Yes, so you better be scared. Get it while it lasts. You need to be afraid that you're gonna miss out. Okay, Skillshare, I know you didn't know I was gonna say this, but I'm gonna say it anyway, sorry. It's not like you can't learn without Skillshare, but it seems to attract way more like god tier level professionals like Tommy Boy. I would at the very least take advantage of the free trial because I did learn a lot and I didn't think I would. So click the link in the description with your face and sign up for that 2-month free trial. And I dare you not to learn anything from Tommy Boy. Now let's talk about this tutorial that you didn't think that you needed, how to draw arms. This is what we're gonna be doing today. I'll break it down super simple and I'll go super fast. So I'm gonna be repeating steps and building it up like a staircase, so I encourage you to do the same thing, because that will build it, it'll push it right into your brain, and then it'll leak out your ears because you have too much knowledge in there. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is start with a line, and we'll just mark the ends, and we're gonna mark about the halfway point. That's it, that's the whole first step. This time, we're gonna mark a little space for the hand, and a space up here for the deltoid muscle, the shoulder muscle. Now, starting from these 2 lines, you can make a little triangle, and then a little rectangle-y thing here, and another little type of triangle type thing here. Maybe another triangle here. And I'm going to want to make sure that this line pretty much goes straight up here. It comes in to this and then out to that. Okay, now this next step is we're going to connect some of these lines. So we have this harsh corner right here. We're just going to bring it up so that it's kind of smoothy, and we're going to make this part down here a little bit thinner toward the inside of the hand, and then come out like that. Then the next thing we can do is make little lines right here for the muscle-y thing. I don't know what they're called. I'll give a little indication to the deltoid muscle right there. Bamf. Little line up here that gets a little bit thicker at the top for the tricep muscle. Wait, let's add the fingers. If you watch my hand tutorial, you already know what is happening here. Just a couple of triangles, fan it out right here. We're gonna do that whole thing all over again, and I'll tell you the next step.
Okay, now that we did that, we're just gonna clean it up. That's basically it. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of line sculpting, which means we find some lines that we like within these scratchy lines. So the bicep is gonna go a little bit more in towards the body because his arm is turned inward, so his bicep is gonna follow. So we're gonna make a little line right here where it's kind of overlapping, and also a little line right here because it sticks out. Make some dark lines right there, maybe a little line right there to indicate a muscle-y thing. And then we're just going to make some little boopies. Boop, boop. And we'll redefine these lines right here so that they're nice and smooth. I'm gonna get rid of that boy because I don't like him. So we're actually gonna move him right here. Did I mention that I'm an idiot and I don't know what I'm talking about? I just know little tricks, that's it. Then you can make like the pectoral muscle here, right? And then all you have to do is just erase some of these little thingies. Just the stupid lines that you made, and only keep the smart lines. This doesn't necessarily teach you accurate anatomy or anything like that, but it gives you something that you will be able to actually just put on paper and not have to worry about too much. Now, if you want a female arm, all you have to do is make these points a little bit more curved so that it's softer shapes. That's it. I'll do an example right here. But I'm not thinking about realistic proportions. I'm just thinking about getting something so that you can trick people into thinking that you're good at art when you're actually not. That's what I do every single time. Look at my Instagram, man. I'm so bad, but I look like I'm not bad. But now watch this. Guys, I'm only gonna say this one more time. I do not know how to draw. I just do stupid stuff, so don't learn anatomy or anything from me. I am the worst. So this might look like a fairly decent arm, but it's actually terrible. But that's okay, no one's gonna know because you're cool. What is happening to my paper over here? I guess I just don't know my own strength. Here, let's make a little guy. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna drink some yummy water now. Well, one of these words is the truth. So these are the shapes that you're looking for, okay? So you got that triangle, you got the little rectangle-y thing right here, you got the triangle thingy there. Well, I can't even draw shapes, whatever. And then you got this guy. Why can I draw an arm but not shapes? Whatever, good enough. If you want to get crazy technical, this would be on the deltoid would be on the 1/3 line, and then the hand would be on the 1/4 line from the bottom. But I just like to eyeball it. Easier, faster, makes more sense. There's too many lines for me. Big McThankies from McSpankies to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Appreciate it. Bless up. Glad you reached out to me, and I'm glad that I didn't not do it. That's it. Hope you like it. Bye.